Okay, so they want us to evaluate this integral from 0 to 1, 5x over the square root of 3x squared plus 1 dx. Solution. For us to evaluate this integral, we shall let u equals to 3x squared plus 1. 3x squared plus 1. So if u equals 10, then our equation becomes the integral of 0 to 1, 5x over u raised to a half, then dx. That will be our equation. And then we need to express dx in terms of du. So we shall come to and differentiate this equation, u with respect to x. Therefore, we have du dx will be equal to, when you differentiate this equation, we have 6x. Therefore, du, we multiply both sides by dx equals to 6x. Du equals to that. But remember here we want the value of, we want to make du equals, this is dx. Du equals to 6x dx. Therefore, dx will be equal to du over 6x. So we have expressed dx in terms of du. So we go back to our equation. Therefore, we shall have the integral from 0 to 1, 5x all over u raised to a half. Then we replace dx by du over 6x. So this x and this x will cancel out, and then we remain with the integral of 0 to 1, 5 over u raised to a half du over 6. Okay, so from here you can see we have constant terms, we have 5 and 6, so we can take them out of the integral sign. So we shall have 5 over 6 from 0 to 1, then we have 1 over u raised to a half, then du. So we can write this one as 5 over 6, the integral from 0 to 1, and then this we can write u as u raised to negative a half, then du. So when we integrate u raised to negative a half, we shall have 5 over 6, then u raised to negative half plus 1 over negative half plus 1, then integrating from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. This equals to 5 over 6. This will be u raised to a half. U raised to a half. Then we have negative a half divided plus 1. So if u raised to a half divided by half, 1, 0. So u raised to a half divided by a half is the same as 5 over 6 into u raised to a half times 2 over 1. 2 over 1. So this equals to 5 over 6 into to be 2 u raised to a half 1 0. We take 2 out, so we remain with 2 will cancel the 6, so we have 5 all over 3 into u raised to half, then integrating from 0 to 1. So at this point we can now replace the value of u, say that our 5 all over 3 into our u was 3x squared. We have 3x squared plus 1 and raised to half. We are integrating from 0 to 1. So you can now replace in the limits that we have been given. And now replacing the limits that we've been given. So we start with 1. So we have 3 times 1 squared, that is 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. And then we replace with the lower limit. This will be 3 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. The square root of 1 is, is 1. So minus 1, like that. So this equals to, this is 3. So equals to 5 all over 3 times 1, which equals to 5 all over 3. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.